the only chimichurri recipe you'll ever need. This recipe only takes a few ingredients. We're going to use olive oil, red wine vinegar, dried oregano, salt and pepper, a couple cherry peppers, a few cloves of garlic, and a handful of fresh parsley. The first thing we're going to do is hand chop all of our fresh ingredients. Get rid of your pepper seeds, finely chop your peppers, garlic, and parsley leaves. The finer you chop these ingredients, the more flavor and aroma is going to be released into your chimichurri. You can definitely use a food processor too if you want. I personally prefer to hand chop my ingredients because I feel like it gives it a more rustic, authentic feel, but you're still going to get a great result with the food processor. So once your ingredients are all chopped to your satisfaction, it's time to mix it all together. I would highly suggest going incrementally with the garlic and pepper because these two ingredients can really overpower your sauce quickly. So go a little bit at a time and taste it as you go until you find a flavor that you like. As you can see, I only used about half of my pepper. I love the flavor. So I'm going to put a lid on it. I'm going to toss it in the refrigerator for a few hours, let those flavors really blend together, and then I'm going to put this sauce on absolutely everything. Today, I'm serving it on a grilled beef short rib. This is exactly what this sauce was made for. Chimichurri is meant to go on South American, Argentinian grilled meats. Going to be epic. I cannot wait to try it, and I hope you enjoy your chimichurri as well.